August hits the window pane. The heat is rising in my veins. A ceiling fan that barely spins. Another summer wearing thin. You left your footprints in the sand. I'm holding nothing in my hands, and the sun keeps burning slow. Every place I used to go, now the daylight feels too long, and I don't know where I belong. Summer heavy on my chest. Can't forget and can't reset. Sweating through another night, chasing shadows in the light. Nothing's wrong and nothing's right. Summer heavy on my mind. Maybe autumn cuts the way. Maybe I won't hesitate. But for now the air is thick, and I'm just learning how to sit with it. Summer heavy on my chest. Can't forget